Using Excel for one-way analysis of variance. This video uses example 1 from section 12-2 titled Lead and Performance IQ Scores. You can use either Excel's Data Analysis add-in or the Excel Stat add-in for one-way analysis of variance. We will begin with the procedure for Excel Stat, followed by the procedure for using Excel's Data Analysis add-in. Excel Stat requires that all the data are stacked in a single column with the corresponding category name for each data value in a separate column. In this example, we have stacked the sample data values from table 12-1 in column B and the corresponding category names in column A. Click on the Excel Stat tab in the ribbon, then click on the Modeling Data button. Select ANOVA from the drop-down menu and the ANOVA dialog box will appear. Enter the range of sample values for the Y-dependent variables box. In this example, we enter B1 through B122. Next, enter the range of qualitative values or category names in the X explanatory variables box. In this example, we enter A1 through A122. Also ensure that the qualitative box is checked. Select Sheet to display the results on a new worksheet, and if a variable label is included in the data range, check the Variable Labels box. In this example, we check this box. Click OK and the analysis of variance results will be displayed as shown. The F statistic is labeled F and the p-value is labeled PR greater than F. In this example, we find a p-value of 0.020 when rounded. Because the p-value of 0.020 is less than the significance level of 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis of equal means. There is sufficient evidence to warrant rejection of the claim that the three samples come from populations with means that are all equal. Based on the samples of measurements, we conclude that those values come from populations having means that are not all the same. We now review the procedure for using Excel's Data Analysis add-in for one-way analysis of variance. For this procedure, ensure that data samples for each category are contained in separate and adjacent columns or rows. In this example, data from table 12-1 are entered in columns A, B, and C. Column A contains low blood lead level data, column B contains medium blood lead level data, and column C contains high blood lead level data. Click on the Data tab in the ribbon, then select Data Analysis. If Data Analysis is not available, you must install the Analysis Toolpak add-in. You should now see the Data Analysis dialog box. Click on ANOVA Single Factor under Analysis Tools, and then click OK. You should now see the ANOVA Single Factor dialog box. First, click on the Input Range box and enter the range containing the sample data. In this example, we enter A1 through C79. When entering a range that includes different column lengths, be sure to always include the longest column in the range. In Group By, select columns if the data for each category are contained in separate columns. Click Rows if the data are organized by rows. In this example, we select Columns. Check the Labels in First Row box if the first cell contains a category label. In this example, we check this box. Under Output Options, it is recommended you select New Worksheet Ply to display the results on a new worksheet. Click OK, and the analysis of variance results will be displayed as shown. The F statistic is labeled F, and the p-value is labeled p-value.